se nos van a cruzar para allá.
Voilà.
A ver con quién se...
Aquí estoy en el Mercadona, mira.
Mira, granizo.
El Mercedes y todo, madre mía, esto no da tiempo a sacarlo.
Heavy rains put the coast of the region on alert, and Águilas activates the flood control plan. The rains once again threaten the region of Murcia, which has issued a warning due to heavy rains this Tuesday. Thus, the entire region is on yellow alert, although Aemet has raised the alert level to orange for a few hours in the Campo de Cartagena region and the entire Guadalentín Valley, with an estimated 30 millimeters of rain per hour. However, it has now dropped to 25 liters per square meter per hour, while in the Altiplano, the northwest and Vega del Segura, the figure is expected to reach 20 liters per hour. It should be noted that Águilas is the worst affected municipality, as the storm hits the region the hardest while slowly moving eastward, according to Aemet. Consequently, the IUNMUR Plan, the civil prevention plan for flood risks, has been activated in emergency phase in the municipality of Águilas. Specifically, it has been implemented at level 0, that is, when there is danger to people or property, but in a very limited area and with the possibility of being resolved by the city council and the community. We have all the human and material resources ready to deal with any emergency in the region. We must be very careful, said Fernando Lopez Miris, president of the region. Since the beginning of the rainy season until 11:40 a.m., the Emergency Coordination Center has responded to 65 incidents caused by this phenomenon, all in Águilas. The vast majority were minor floods. In fact, the emergency services rescued 9 uninjured people who were trapped in their vehicles due to flooding caused by the rain on the RM D18 road near Calariona in the municipality of Águilas. At 9:54 a.m., 112 received a call from the passenger of a car who reported being stuck in a ravine on the road. Local police patrols and firefighters from the Fire and Rescue Consortium of the Region of Murcia were sent to the scene. Upon arrival, the police confirmed that 9 people were trapped in cars and trucks and requested a helicopter from the General Directorate of Citizen Security and Emergencies with rescue firefighters. Finally, the rescue was carried out by land. They did not require medical assistance. The city of Águilas reported dozens of incidents this Tuesday following the heavy rains that hit the city shortly before 10 a.m., causing the area to be completely flooded. Civil Protection Councilor Jose Luis Moreno has appealed to residents not to travel, stating that the amount of rain, accompanied by hail, is unexpected, as the city is on yellow alert for 15 liters of rain per square meter in 1 hour. The alert has now been raised to orange in the municipality, and the councillor has confirmed that school children have been moved to the upper floors and that the most urgent incidents are being addressed. Firefighters, local police, and civil guard patrols, civil protection personnel, and municipal technicians are working in the area. The mayor of Águilas, Maria del Carmen Moreno, acknowledged on Tuesday that the torrential rain, which dumped 70 liters per square meter in 30 minutes, had caused chaos in the city, which had not expected a storm of this magnitude, as it was under yellow alert. In an appearance with the Minister of the Presidency, Marcos Ortuño, who traveled to the city, she said that in the face of the emergency, her first order was for school teachers to take children upstairs, as water had entered the ground floors of schools. Although the streets were flooded in just a few minutes, Moreno said the incident was not serious, although she cited the rescue of 9 people trapped in their cars near Calariona on the El Cocan RM D18 road. She also said that ceiling tiles had collapsed at the Águilas Health Center and a supermarket, and that many basements and garages were flooded. The council is assessing the material damage, said the mayor, who also thanked the mayor of Lorca, Fulgencio Gil, for making himself available from the first minute if we needed help, as did the Minister of the Presidency and the Director General of Emergencies of the local government. Most of the rainfall occurred in Águilas, where rainfall reached a record 70 liters per square meter in half an hour, Ortuño added, explaining that 112 had received 70 calls related to the emergency situation due to water pumping and road obstructions.